Hi, we're the Carters, and we've actually worked with Excel Roofing for a couple of years now. On our previous home, a few years back, there was a huge hailstorm, and we noticed that we'd had damage on our cars and our trees, so we thought it'd be good to get up on the roof and give it a look and see if there was anything that needed to be taken care of up there. So we called Excel Roofing. They came in, did a really great job, took care of absolutely everything. They even added some attic fans and some extra venting that helped reduce the temperature within our house by a couple of degrees.
While we were going through the insurance claim process, Excel Roofing's local project manager met with the insurance adjuster and actually walked with them through our yard as well as our roof to notate all of the damage that we had received during the storm and made sure that we truly put everything on our claim that we should have. To our naked eye, we probably would have missed a lot of the damage, but Excel Roofing was there from the very start and truly went above and beyond what I would expect any roofer to do for their clients to really take great care of us. When we moved to our second home here in Colorado Springs, we very quickly noticed that some of our gutters were in pretty terrible shape.
We really needed to have the gutters repaired. We had big holes, there was rust, and they just weren't doing their job.
We knew who to call. At that point, we had worked with Excel Roofing before. We're extremely happy with their services. So we reached out back to the Excel Roofing team, and their project manager met with us, again, reviewed all of the issues that we were having with our gutters. And not only did they help us replace the gutters, but they also consulted us through different options that we had. Once again, they went above and beyond just doing the job. They actually consulted us on how we could improve some of the downspouts that we had, moving a couple of things around to where the water would flow better and hopefully in the long term not get the same damage over time.
So if you need a roof replacement or gutter replacement, Excel has been incredible with us across 2 homes and several of years, and we would highly recommend them.